Hello there guys, it's me, Ohana Squish, and this is my first YouTube video, so I'm so excited. So today I'm going to be showing you my yogurt slime. I haven't determined what kind of yogurt it is, but it's like a consistency of yogurt, but I made it with the butter slime recipe. So I guess it's butter slime, but I think it's more like yogurt instead of butter, so yeah. But anyways, I'm filming outside with some natural lighting, so yeah, even though the lighting isn't very good right now. It was just a few minutes ago, but I'm in North Carolina, so it's sometimes sunny, sometimes not. But let's stop talking about the weather and let's get on.
So here's the slime. I'm going to stop talking in a second so that you can just hear poking noises. But first I just want to show you that it's very stretchy, and this is the color. So comment down below if you have any yogurt flavors it could be. I'm thinking now, I think I'm going to name it key lime pie. So just tell me if you like it or not. And if you look in my channel description on my channel, like the about page, you can see what my Instagram account is, and it's also Ohana Squish. And I will be posting this video later today, or tomorrow, or Saturday. So please just go follow that, and don't forget to subscribe to me. Now we're gonna just stop talking so you can hear the noises.